So this is all about the Kanyakumari ride. I'm preparing up for it. I was thinking to get a tank bag today. I hope I have to go from here, so yeah. So I had to get a tank bag today, but I don't know if I will, because something unexpected happened. I mean, I am so pissed off with my OnePlus phone. This is the second time the display just went, the screen just blacked off, like in between, like, you know, without, the phone didn't fall anywhere, not even in water, not even in on the floor, nothing. I used it, like, you know, for a couple of minutes today in the morning, and it just got blacked out. The screen got blacked out. The phone is working. I faced the same problem last year, and they told me the reason for that was I came from the colder country, Ireland, to India, which is much hotter, and that's the reason it, you know, it leaked some blue liquid which was there in the screen and all. So that's the reason. Okay, that's the reason the screen went off that time, and I could see that. This time I can operate the phone on everything. I can pick up the calls, I can play music, I can do everything as I know, like, you know, where exactly I need to push or do anything, so to get the things done. But still, without doing anything, it just went off. Now I have to go and rush to the OnePlus service center, and they told me approximately cost will be somewhere around 8,300 or something. So it's like extra kharcha for me. I'm so angry. I may not sound angry, but I'm definitely angry. Because I have loads of work to do before going to Kanyakumari, starting with now this OnePlus, then I have to get some accessories. I have to give my bike tomorrow for servicing, and that I'll get it back on Monday probably, because Sunday it's off. So I'm pissed. I'm absolutely pissed. I had to go to Cjbeards as well today for getting the, because, you know, I have this mobile holder, but the charging cable which is required for charging the phone, I mean, I'm going for a longer ride, so I need a phone to charge for longer time, and that's the reason I need the cable to connect with this holder. Oi! I hate coming from this road, Ghatkopar, Sakinaka. I have to take a left in somewhere. I hope this is the turn where I have to take a left in now. Kurla ikade na? Kurla? Ikade. Thank you. And I need to give my bike for servicing as well again. Not servicing actually as such, but I feel this is like quite very near, like, you know, to use. It should be more tightened up. It should be done from there, down there. And I need to fix few of the things. That is a fork. It's giving me a knocking sound, like whenever I apply brakes, you know, there's a nose down and there's a tick sound coming out of it. And also Abhishek from KTM service center told me that there is some liquid coming out, like, you know, it's gonna leak a bit during the ride as well, like, you know, it's sort of leaking a bit, but it will certainly on the long run. So I don't want to face any of the problem. I don't want to go to the KTM service center in Bangalore or, you know, find somewhere. So I need to fix everything together, and then I'll start my ride. So getting everything charged up, ready, and then I'll start with it. Now I have no idea where the mall is, but I'll come to know when I look on this side of the road. तेरा इंज शर्मोना अखा विच कोना देनो देखदा ही जा मर जावा मैं इन्ना तेरे. I like the faster version, which I guess Kaushik was the one who sung that, maybe in US or Canada. That was much better than the original one, which is a bit slower, I feel. I don't know where exactly I am. I just know I have to go straight for a good distance. So now we are heading towards the OnePlus service center to do all of my stuff. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I need the data from it. Like, I don't want the phone to be formatted. Hopefully it shouldn't be. They told me they'll take care of it, that they won't format the phone. But I have to tell them again, I have to remind them again, like, you know. The last time when I did it was in Vasai, because all the service centers in Mumbai were closed. Now today as well, when I called the DN Nagar service center, it was closed. Kandivali, it was about to get closed, like closed as in they are doing some migration, and that's the reason it is closed. Nobody follows the signal. If I stand, I'll create a more mess over there. That's the reason I thought of moving ahead, and it was in the middle of something, you know. It's difficult to understand the roads over here. That's the reason when you can ride or drive in Andheri Kurla or Ghatkopar Kurla road, then you can drive even on the Mars. Like, you know, you can drive a Rover, you can drive anything or anywhere on the planet actually. So finally we have reached the parking lot of Phoenix Mall, Kurla. Let's see if my work should be done actually. If not, then I'll be really pissed off, because I have literally 2 to 3 days remaining where I can actually do all of my work. I have to finish my office work as well. I need to do my you know, all kind of tayari of everything. Actually, I'm using most of the Marathi and Hindi words in between. The reason for that is, like, you know, many of them told me, like, you know, you should actually use Hindi and Marathi words in between as well. It sounds a bit more desi, kind of desi more. So, you know, that's the reason. Anyway, so I hope my work shall be done today itself. If not, then I have to come back again tomorrow, which is a big headache. I'll catch you in a while. Because today I just actually came out for this only, like, you know, for getting all this stuff together. So right now I'm at Raida Phoenix Mall, Kurla. What's your name? Omkar. That's Omkar and Shiva. So I'm at Raida. I actually needed a few of the stuff. That is the tank bag which I just got. That is the Raida GPS. It's like 28 liter and then expandable to 33 liters, right?
Right.
Yes. So
it's got the straps and the magnetic pad as well. You can use on the both pipes, metallic tank or non-metallic tank. Then it comes with the rain liner, which is comes with this. Then straps are there. These are straps.
Right. So that's going to be really helpful for me, you know, because I was actually planning, like, you know, it's going to be around 5 to 7 days of ride. So I really needed something, like, you know, as a tank bag, because I already have a tail bag on me. So I didn't want to carry a laptop bag separately. So this will actually help me. My main concern was the laptop. So the laptop, DSLR, everything will go inside this, and it's absolutely perfect. So if you want such kind of things, like, you know, they have all the gears with them, like, you know, riding bags, riding shoes,
Base layers, arm sleeves.
yeah.
Then we have clothes range, jacket range over here, t-shirts, liners, then bike covers we have.
Okay, so you have almost everything.
Yeah.
And to be honest, if you see on the internet as well, Raida is a bit affordable than Rhinox. So you know where you save the money, and obviously you get a good quality. So why
All
not?
the products are made in India.
Yes, it's all made in India. So yeah, obviously you get a lot of things. With that Modi's thing, make in India stuff. All right, so that's all actually from Raida. I'll be signing off now because I'll be heading towards to Cjbeards to get some of the other electronic stuff which I want to take it for my ride. And after that I'll be done. So I'll sign off right now itself. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, share the video as much as you can. Bye bye, love you all, take care, see you in the next video. Okay, you can say it. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we have someone else as well. What's the name?
Satish.
Satish.
Yeah.
So that's Satish from Raida as well. He came very late. Alright, bye bye.